Welcome back. Dream is not what you see in sleep, but dream is a thing which does not let you sleep. This was the quote by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar while concluding Budget Presentation 2012-13. Parrikar used many such quotes while presenting his populist and reformist budget. Have a look at the quotes from Martin Luther King to Bakibab Borkar.
I believe in the words of Martin Luther King. The ultimate measure of a man is not when he stands in moment of comfort, but when he stands in time of challenge. What I had stated in my first budget in this very august house 11 years ago, Karmanne vadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. Speaker sir, there is an old saying which I think aptly describes the current state of affairs of the administration. Sutak chuklyar angrak chuklo, angrak chuklyar vyatak chuklo, vyatak chuklyar wawak chuklo, and wawak chuklyar gawak chuklo. Sir, it is said that the good plan shape good decisions. That is why good planning helps make exclusive dream come true. Bakibab said, "माझ्या गोव्याच्या भूमीत गड्या नारळ मधाचे." James Baldwin once said, "Not everything that is faced can be changed." Sir, there is a Marathi saying, "Bhik नको पण कुत्र्यावर." Bill Shankly, a famous British football manager, once said, "Football is not a matter of life and death. It is much more important than that." As Lord Buddha said, to keep the body in good health is a duty. Otherwise, we shall not be able to keep our mind strong and clear. As Kautilya said in 300 BC, that as the bee collects honey gradually from the flower, so should the ruler fill the treasury, collecting revenue gradually. Further, he said that the ruler should develop state revenues only by just means, with impartiality, without granting any favor. Sir, as rightly said by Arnold Glasgow, an idea not coupled with action will never get any bigger than the brain it occupied. A dream is not what you see in sleep, but a dream is thing which does not let you sleep. Lines of Robert Frost, and want to say that I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Communities and groups on Facebook have brought in a change in the life of many people. A simple post on social networking site has given shelter to 75-year-old Satyavati Gaonkar. Members of Bicholi group on Facebook have forwarded a helping hand to Satyavati. Watch this report.
Satyavati Gaonkar got her shelter back thanks to the Bicholi group. Her shelter was gutted in a fire and she had no roof to reside under. She is 75 years old and has no beloved ones to take care of her. Members of Bicholi group on Facebook, with a single post about the fire incident, came forward and have rebuilt a shelter. Have a look. A shelter of iron sheets, some eatables and other household items got a smile on Satyavati's face. One of the members of Bicholi group on Facebook explained to us how they came together to help Satyavati.
15 दीस पयलीं जेन्ना कळ्ळें की नांगिणी गांवांत अशें एक उजो लागलो आनी कोणाची झोपडी पडली, एक बारीकसो पोस्ट तितलो आयलो की अशी अशी म्हायती आसा आनी अशी घटना जाल्ली आसा म्हणून. इतले 850 हात आसा हे तिणें विचारचें न्ही. आनी फर्स्ट टायम अशें जालें की फेसबुकान कितें तरी घडोवन हाडलें आनी आज आमी पळयत जाल्यार हांगा कांय नाशिल्लें थंय जळून जे खाक जाल्ले थंय एटलीस्ट रावपा सारकी तरी एक कूड जाल्ली आसा.
Pradeep Kotkar, a native of Bicholi working abroad, has also forwarded support to Satyavati.
की आमी भायर इतलें काम करून आमच्या लोकांक कितें करूंक शकना म्हणून आमकां खूब वायट दिसलें. आजुनूय म्हाका दिसता की आमी जे भायर जे गोंय भायर जे गेलेल्या लोकांनी आमच्या लोकांक कितें तरी करचें.
A reporter from Bicholi, Uday Parab.
There is a sudden hike in SOPO collection in Ponda municipal area. Ponda MLA Lavu Mamledar raised this issue by a calling attention motion in the session that concluded on Monday. Prudent MLA Deepak Davlikar demanded that local vendors should be exempted from SOPO. Minister for Urban Development Francis D'Souza has assured to look into the matter.
Fear and anxiety in the minds of the vendors of Ponda municipal market one sudden hike in sopo collection by the Ponda Municipal Council, thus causing heavy loss to the local vendors and affecting their business. Councilan एक resolution घेतले ही पावणी म्युनिसिपालिटीनीच करूया, कोणाक दिवची न्ही. तरी पूण 1 एप्रिलाक एक ऑर्डर काडली आनी हे काउन्सिलान चीफ ऑफिसरान ती कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक पावणी कलेक्ट करपाक दिली. हो एक भाग जालो. ह्या भागाचेर थोडी एन्क्वायरी करपाची गरज आसा. अंडर वॉट सर्कमस्टन्सीस त्या चीफ ऑफिसरान ही पावणी कलेक्ट करपाक दिली ती. दुसरो जो भाग उरलो तेतून थंय रेट लायिल्ली आसा 3 रुपया पर स्क्वेअर मिटर. मार्केटान एक व्हडलो बोर्ड लायिल्लो आसा 3 रुपया पर स्क्वेअर मिटर, 5 रुपीज फॉर 2 meters. पूण लोकां कडल्यान घेता आसतना 50 रुपया, 100 रुपया ऑर्डिनरी डेज, आर्केड डेज 200 रुपया, 300 रुपया. म्युनिसिपालिटी स्टाफ खंयच्याच हातून तेजेर एक्शन घेवपाक तयार आसना.
आणि एक काम कर, बुधवार शेनवार जो बाजार थंय भरता तातूंत ट्रेडिशनल आमचे वेंडर्स येता, पिवळच्यान येता, मडकयच्यान येता, उजगांवच्यान येता, जे भाजी आपूण रोयता आनी हाडून विकता तांकां सगळ्याक एक्झेम कर तातूंतल्यान.
तेजेर एन्क्वायरी जातली स्पीकर सर, आनी कोणाक कल्पेबल धरपाक जावं पळय तेजेर एक्शन जातलें.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.